Look at your thing.
See what?
It's not all the way down.